Now in this example, again similar kind of system is given. There is a bottom block of 6 kg mass. The coefficient of friction between ground and the 6 kg block is 0.1. There is a 3 kg block kept on 6 kg block, and the coefficient of friction between 3 kg and 6 kg block is 0.4. The force this time is applied on the 3 kg block, on the block at the top of 6 kg. And we have to find the values of this F at which the sliding will start at different surfaces. That means the value of F at which the entire system is sliding on the ground, and the value of F at which 3 kg and is sliding over 6 kg block. So again we can say that when force is applied here, there will be a friction generated between 3 kg and 6 kg, and this friction will be, let us say, F1 in this direction. Because of this F1, a reactionary F1 will appear in opposite direction, and because of this F1, a friction force F2 will appear in this backward direction. Now first let us find out the value of limiting friction. So FLB, which is the value of limiting friction at the bottom, at here between 6 kg and ground, and this will be equal to mu n. Mu is 0.1, n is mg, mg is 9 into g, because we are finding at ground, so total mass on the ground is 9. So 9 and g we can take as 10. So this is nothing but mu mg that we are doing. So this will come out to be 9 Newton. Similarly, we can find the limiting friction between the blocks, the middle surface, that is between 3 and 6. So let us call it FLM, value of limiting friction at the middle. And this will be equal to again mu mg. So mu here is 0.4. M on this surface is only the mass of the upper block, which is 3, into g, which is 10. And this will come out to be 12 Newton. So from this we can say that when the force is equal to 9 Newton, both the blocks are starting sliding, and when it is equal to, and the to make the 3 kg block slide, we need to approach a value of 12 Newton. So right now we can write that at F equals to 9 Newton, sliding of bottom surface will start. That is, the 6 kg block will start sliding. Now for F greater than 9 newtons, when we increase F and now it has become greater than 9 Newton, there will be a common acceleration because both the blocks are starting. So we can say common acceleration. The common acceleration will be total force. Total force here is F, and in the reverse direction it is F2. So F minus F2 upon total mass. Total mass at this point is 6 plus 3. Now the blocks are sliding when this F2 has reached the value of 9 Newton. So it will be F minus 9 upon 9. This will be the value of common acceleration of the system. Now let us find out for 3 kg block only. Now for 3 kg block, the block will start sliding when the value of friction approaches the limiting value, which is 12 Newton. So the force that is being applied is equal to mass into acceleration, where mass is 3, acceleration is this F minus 9 upon 9, and this force approaches the value of limiting friction, then the 3 kg block will slide. And what is the value of this limiting friction? This is 12 Newton. So this should be equal to 12 Newton. This will be our condition for 3 kg block to start sliding. This will be equal to F minus 12 because the force F is applied in this direction. So we can write F minus 12. I forgot about F. The total force is F minus 12 Newton, and this should be equal to the value of limiting friction. So when this is the condition, block 3 kg will start sliding. So if we solve this, the value of F will come out to be 13.5 Newton. So that means when the value of force external force is 9 Newton. The lower block will start sliding, that is the entire system will start sliding on the ground, and when this force approaches the value of 13.5 Newton, then 3 kg block will start sliding over the 6 kg block. So here all we have to do is to find the limiting friction between various surfaces, and then find the value of force at which various surfaces, various block will start sliding. Like here at 5 F equals to 9 Newton, the lower block starts sliding. We find the common acceleration of the entire system, and we know when mass into acceleration for 3 kg block, this is nothing but second law of Newton. Mass into acceleration, this is the force being applied here. When this becomes equal to F minus 12, where 12 is the limiting friction, then the upper block will also start sliding.